Hi, welcome to Rime Time today.
Today we are working with the word family O's, and we're singing a song called Watering a Rose. And it's sung to If You're Happy and You Know It, Clap Your Hands. So I bet you'll be able to do that. So we want to come up with some words that rhyme with O's, like rose. I'm wondering at home if you can come up with one. Ready? Let's hear it. Okay, Drina, what's one you have?
Rose.
Okay, one at home. What rhymes with rose?
That's a good one.
Ready, Drina? What's another one?
Hose.
Hose? Rose? What else?
Pose.
Pose. Very good. All right. So we're going to first read the song. Okay? If you're watering a rose, turn on the hose. If your picture's being taken, strike a pose. If a skunk is coming near, hold your nose, then disappear. 'Cause it's no fun to get a whiff of one of those. What words did we find that rhyme with O's? Let's find them. Let's start at the top, Drina. Everyone at home, ready? Let's point to them. Rose. Hose. Pose. Nose.
Those.
You've got it. All right, let's sing the song. Are you ready? If you're watering a rose, turn on the hose. If your picture's being taken, strike a pose. If a skunk is coming near, hold your nose and disappear. 'Cause it's no fun to get a whiff of one of those. If you're watering a rose, turn on the hose. If your picture's being taken, strike a pose. If a skunk is coming near, hold your nose and disappear. 'Cause it's no fun to get a whiff of one of those. Fantastic rhyming with O's today. Next we're going to do some making words. So get your letters ready or just do it with us. Here we go.
Bye.
Hey friends, if you could get these letters out, that would be awesome. If you don't have the letters, you can write them at the top of a whiteboard or a paper. Let's start with saying the sounds. Here we go. Let's point to it and say the sounds. Ready? R, p, n, k. Sometimes the C says S, like city. T, l, d. And down here we have the word family O's. Let's say the sound though. O, and it also can say like octopus.
Octopus.
And the E here is silent when we're doing the word family O's.
O's.
Okay, all right, let's do our making words. Here we go. All right, friends, here we go. We're going to make some words with the O's family. So down below you should have O-S-E. Here we go. The first word is rose. Bring one letter down to make the word rose. Let's check it with our finger. Here we go. R-O's. Rose. Change one letter at the beginning to make pose. Bring that P down. Let's say it. P-O's. Pose. Change one letter again at the beginning to make hose. Let's say it. Try that again. O's. Hose. Oh, keep that H there. Bring one letter down to make chose. Ch-O's. That's right, you've got that digraph that has one sound. Ch-O's. Chose. Hold, nope, just wait. I haven't told you what to do now. The next word is those. That's right. Bring down the TH. The TH can say th, like thought, but it also can say th. like those. Let's say it. Those. Those. The next word, we're going to take the TH away, please. Totally two different letters. This time we're going to make the word close. The store will close at 5. Let's say it. Close. Close. Add one letter to close to make closed. The store closed at 5. Closed. Closed. Now we're going to be writing our words. So get your marker out or a pencil, please. I'm going to take all of the letters off so I have enough room to do this. Everyone at home, we're going to start with the word rose. Before we start it, we're going to say it out loud. Ready? Rose. Go ahead and write it. Rose. Put that E at the end. The next word is pose. Let's say it. Let me hear you. Pose.
Pose.
The next word is pose. Let's hear you. Pose. Pose. The next word is chose. Let's say it first. Ready? Chose. Try it. Uh-oh, yours says coes. What two letters say ch? What'd you forget, Drina? Everyone at home, check yours. You have the CH? Ch. O's. Chose. Okay, Drina, can you start at the top? The next word is those. O's. Those. Those. Nice work.
Those.
That's right. The next word is close. Let's say it. Close. Close. And our last word is closed. So if you can spell close, you can spell close. We close the store. Closed. Put your D at the... Let's read our words. Point and read them with us. Ready? Andrina, I'm waiting. Rose. Pose. Hose. Chose. Those. Close. Closed. Way to go, friends. Trina, let's say goodbye to everybody and tell them thanks. Ready?